This is Nico Antonio, and today is my rest day from taping, and I just had a delivery from Datablitz. And because I have so much time, I will be doing an unboxing of a video game. Exciting. Here we go. Got my scissors. Got my scissors. I'll be cutting so much plastic here and tape. Bought this online because I was not able to order via Maximum online store. I was afraid of the shipping costs that it could entail me, and to my surprise, Datablitz had this one day. Datablitz is a Philippine local store. They carry not only video games, they also carry computer stuff, accessories, laptops, amiibos, anything electronic. But for my personal use, I buy video games from them, specifically Nintendo Switch and PlayStation 4. So it's gotta be matagal. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel now. More cutting. Here we go. Wow. Got Cris Collector's Edition. Yay. Ta-da! I was surprised that it's kind of small. And there are creases on the box. It's not in pristine condition. Nevertheless, I'm not really sensitive when it comes to those details, for as long as what's inside is complete. So, and it's not really that, I mean, the damage is not that big of a deal for me. So let's open the box. Cris Tales, what's inside the box? Ooh, what is this? A plushie. A plushie. What else is inside? Ooh. Is this what I think it is? Is this the game? Not sure, but there. Oh, the art book. The art book. There. The art book. And the sticker and the pins, enamel pins. Ta-da! You have the art book. So much art. There. It's kind of okay. And the game. Let's open this up. So what I got from this are these: the game itself and 2 hologram. Ooh, nice. Let's. Ooh, nice. So there, those are what comprises the collector's edition. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and if you like more content from me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.